Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Cassie. In today's video, I'm going to be doing another synthetic wig review. This is one of Freetress's Level Up unit in the style Sylvie. I have it in the color FF Cream. If you guys are not familiar with the Level Up collection, this is fairly new, and what they're doing is taking older units, revamping them, giving them lace, giving them pre-plucked hairlines, and all kinds of different little, you know, like little upgrades. Let's get into the unboxing of this unit, and then I'll go ahead and give you guys my full review. So if you guys like videos like this and you want to see more, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button down below, and let's go ahead and jump on into today's video.
Sometimes it really feels like I lose control. Honestly, I can't even find my hole. 'Cause when you see light, I tend to fade. With city lights and you're in space, and I don't think I'm ever gonna get it right. I'm drowning underwater, and you're just making it harder. Need to let you go to find myself. 'Cause I keep on falling, and you're the one watching. Need to let you go to find myself. You are only bringing out the worst in me. Now I really don't know what the best in me is. 'Cause when you see light, I tend to fade. With city lights and you're in space, and I don't think I'm ever gonna get it right. I'm drowning underwater, and you're just making it harder. Need to let you go to find myself. 'Cause I keep on falling, and you're the one watching. Need to let you go to find myself.
Here's a stocking card for Miss Sylvie, and like I mentioned, we have it in the color FF Cream. And just a few specs about this collection. They claim to have a pre-plucked natural hairline with undetectable HD lace, and they are also supposed to be heat safe up to 400 degrees. It says it is pre-plucked to perfection, no additional plucking required, durable HD lace that blends in perfectly, ready to wear. Here's Miss Sylvie on, y'all. I don't know. Okay, now on the stock card, she looked super cute, and when I pulled it out of the box, I was like, oh, she's cute or whatever, and then I put it on, and I'm like, wait a minute, I just don't know. Let's go ahead and jump into the pros and cons about this unit. Y'all know I want to get the negatives out of the way, so let's go ahead and talk about these cons. The first con that I want to mention is that this unit does shed. Now, it may be just the color selection that I have. Maybe in a natural color, it won't shed at all, but I have got quite a bit of shedding, and I didn't brush through this unit with a paddle brush. I used a comb because I didn't want to disrupt the wave pattern, but even just finger raking this wig, I've got quite a bit of shedding. Okay, so if you're not, do I have lipstick on my teeth? That's embarrassing. And I have it on my chin. What is happening? If you are somebody who does not like shedding whatsoever, keep this in mind before purchasing this wig. This is not really a con, but I just want to mention that this cap size is a little bit on the snug side. Y'all saw when I put this wig on my head, I was like, oh, she's tight, okay? I was like, I don't know how I'm gonna get this wig on without ripping this lace. I am known to rip some lace on this noggin, but I didn't do it. I was good. I didn't rip the lace, but it is fitting pretty snug. I do not have a wig grip on, and my hair is really nice and flat underneath. So keep that in mind if you're somebody who has like a 23-inch head. This is going to be a little bit snug on you. I don't know if it's going to cause any uncomfort or headaches or anything like that, but be cautious of the slip back because she could be a little tight. I really do like this style. I don't know if I love the layers with this wig, you know what I'm saying? It's kind of giving me like helmet vibes. Something's off. and I don't know, like I can't put my finger on it. The texture is bomb though. It is a yaki texture, most definitely very soft. It has a lot of movement. This color is beautiful. I have the color FF Cream. I've never tried this color before, but it is absolutely gorgeous. I love this sandy blonde in the front and this really pretty like chocolatey caramel vibe. And then it does have a dark root, which I love. So this color, amazing. I like this style. I like the waves and I like that they're staying intact, but it's almost like too much. You know what I mean? I just don't know. I don't know. If this is the first video of mine that you're watching, you're probably like, this girl is crazy. She don't know what she's talking about. I was really impressed with the color of this lace. While it may not be HD, it is a nice light brown, maybe like a medium brown. And I feel like it's going to blend in with a lot of deeper skin tones, like my complexion and deeper. I know if you're a little bit lighter than me, it is more difficult to lighten the lace than it is to make it darker. But I can appreciate having a little bit of pigment in my lace and it not being super ashy. So I do like that. I felt the same way about Freetress May, which I just finished reviewing as well. And I really like the lace color on that unit too. So far, I haven't gotten any tangling, which is nice. The only issue that I've had was the shedding, but it does seem to have died down. But in the beginning, girl, I was getting a lot. Okay, no, still getting a lot of shedding. Yeah, y'all, I just don't know how I feel about this one on me. Maybe it's the waves. I think it's the bang. She's coming off a little matronly. I don't know. I'm gonna have to see if I can like play around with this wig. It's got some short layers. Like some of the layers are pretty short and it's, what do y'all think? How do we feel about, what's her name? Sylvie. That's a bad sign. If I forgot what the wig's name is, I don't like it. I don't know if there's too much else to talk about and discuss. A little snag right there. But I'm curious to know what y'all are thinking. If anybody knows which wig they are revamping, what was the original name, leave it down in the comments because I'm curious. I haven't been wearing wigs that long to know which style this was, and they're changing the name. So they revamped Valentino, but they renamed it Kamala. So I don't know what this one was, but if you do, leave me a comment down below. And yeah, I just want to know what y'all are thinking. How do you feel about Sylvie? You know what I'm saying? Like, let's talk. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in my next upload, which will be very, very soon.